Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our quiet, peaceful space together today. I am so truly happy that you decided to take a moment out of your busy schedule to sit down and listen to my voice. Before we begin our reflection today, I want to make sure you are as comfortable as you can possibly be. Go ahead and adjust your posture, loosen any tight clothing, let your hands rest gently in your lap, drop your shoulders down, and take a deep, slow breath in with me. Today, we are going to explore a very beautiful and comforting idea together. We are going to talk about the art of micro-rest and how you can find genuine peace in just 60 seconds, no matter where you are or what you are doing. Our modern world moves at such a remarkably fast pace every single day. From the moment we wake up in the morning until we finally lie down at night, there are always places we need to go, tasks we must complete, messages we have to answer, and complex problems that demand our immediate attention. Because everything around us moves so quickly and constantly, it is completely normal to feel overwhelmed, crowded, and deeply tired. You might wake up in the morning after hours of sleep and still feel exhausted before your day has even properly started. When most of us think about the word rest, we often picture very large, distant events. We think about taking a 2-week vacation to a quiet tropical island, spending an entire weekend lying in bed without opening our doors, or sleeping for 10 uninterrupted hours in total silence. While those long and luxurious breaks are truly wonderful, the reality of daily life is that we cannot always take a vacation whenever we feel tired. We cannot simply stop our working day or abandon our daily responsibilities just because our mind feels heavy, noisy, and cluttered. This is exactly why the concept of micro-rest is such a life-changing tool for you to carry with you. A micro-rest is not a long, complicated process. It is a tiny, deliberate pause that lasts for only 60 short seconds, one simple minute of pure, quiet presence. 60 seconds might sound like a very small, almost insignificant amount of time to you right now. You might naturally ask yourself, how can one tiny minute possibly make any real difference in a long, difficult, and exhausting day? I completely understand why you might feel skeptical about something so simple. But I invite you to think of a micro-rest as a quiet, gentle reset button for your mind and your body whenever the world around you feels a little bit too loud. When you choose to practice a micro-rest, you do not need to change your clothes, purchase special equipment, or travel to a quiet room far away. You can practice it right where you are standing or sitting at this exact moment in time. Imagine for a moment that your body and your mind are like a small digital device or a smartphone. When you leave too many applications running at the same time in the background, the battery drains much faster than it normally would. A micro-rest is like closing all of those heavy background applications for just one single minute. It gives your entire inner system a chance to cool down, catch its breath, and preserve its precious, vital energy. Let us take a moment to practice a gentle, practical micro-rest together right now. If you happen to be in a safe, quiet, and comfortable place, go ahead and close your eyes very softly. If you are in a place where you cannot close your eyes right now, please do not worry at all. You can simply lower your gaze slightly and look softly at a single spot on the floor in front of you. Now, bring all of your attention inward toward your physical body. Gently scan yourself from the top of your head all the way down to your toes, noticing where you might be holding tightness without judging yourself or feeling bad about it. Unclench your jaw completely and let your teeth part just a tiny bit. Soften the small muscles around your eyes and let your forehead smooth out entirely like the still surface of a quiet woodland lake. Allow your shoulders to melt downward, away from your ears where they so often hide when you are carrying stress. Feel your shoulder blades slide gently and comfortably down your back. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4, feeling your belly expand gently. Hold that breath for just a soft moment, and then release the air very slowly out through your mouth like a warm, relaxing sigh. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each natural, unhurried breath. You do not need to force your breathing to be any specific way. Simply observe the gentle rhythm that your body naturally knows how to keep. In this single, precious minute, you do not have to solve any complicated problems. You do not have to plan your next meal, worry about tomorrow's schedule, or reply to any of the messages waiting on your screen. For these 60 seconds, your only job in the whole world is simply to exist. You are giving yourself full, unconditional permission to put down every heavy mental burden you have been carrying around all day. When you deliberately stop pushing yourself for 60 seconds, truly wonderful chemical changes begin to happen inside your physical body. Your nervous system receives a clear, reassuring signal that you are safe right now. Your heart rate slowly begins to settle down into a steady, peaceful rhythm. The stress hormones that were rushing through your bloodstream start to level off and fade away into quiet stillness. Your brain gets a crucial break from processing endless streams of words, numbers, and sights. It gets a brief opportunity to organize its thoughts gently, much like a quiet librarian organizing books on wooden shelves. So many of us grow up internalizing the belief that rest is something we must earn through hard labor. We tell ourselves that we are only allowed to take a break after every single item on our long to-do list has been completed. But the deep truth of life is that your list of tasks will never be completely empty. Life is an ongoing process that will always bring new chores, new work, new expectations, and new responsibilities to your doorstep every morning. If you promise yourself that you will wait until everything is finished before you allow yourself to rest, you will end up waiting forever. Rest is not a final reward for hard work. Rest is the essential fuel that allows you to live well. You deserve to rest simply because you are a living human being, my dear friend. You do not need to constantly justify your existence or prove your worth by working until you are completely exhausted, empty, and burned out. Let us talk about another very easy and practical technique for micro-rest that you can use while working at your desk. It is a simple practice called the 20-20-20 visual pause. If your daily routine involves spending many hours looking at screens, phones, or fine print, the muscles in your eyes become deeply tired and strained. Every 20 minutes or so, make it a habit to turn your eyes away from your work. Look at a distant object that is about 20 feet away from you for at least 20 seconds. It could be a tree growing outside your window, a peaceful painting hanging on the far wall, or even a quiet doorway down the hall. As you fix your eyes on this distant object, let the small, tight muscles around your eyes relax completely. Blink gently a few times and let your peripheral vision open up to notice the soft light around you. This tiny 60-second habit gives your eye muscles a vital chance to stretch, release tension, and recover. It also gently reminds your brain that the world is vast, spacious, and much bigger than a tiny glowing rectangle. Another wonderfully soothing form of micro-rest involves reconnecting directly with your physical sense of touch. So often during the day, we spend all our energy living entirely inside our busy, analytical thoughts. To practice this physical micro-rest, simply place both of your feet firmly and flatly on the ground beneath you. Feel the incredible solidity of the floor supporting your weight without any active effort from your muscles. Pay close attention to the feel of your socks, the texture of your shoes, or the coolness of the floor against your soles. Bring every drop of your mental focus down into your feet for 60 full seconds. This simple practice is often called grounding, and it is a remarkably powerful way to calm an anxious mind. It brings your scattered, racing thoughts right back down into your physical body where you are safe and supported. Whenever you feel your mind spinning in circles with worried thoughts about the future, remember your feet resting on the floor. Connect with that solid ground beneath you and whisper quietly to yourself, "I am here right now." You can also practice a refreshing micro-rest while drinking a simple glass of fresh, cool water during your afternoon. Instead of drinking absent-mindedly while typing an email or checking news, stop everything else you are doing. Hold the glass in your hands and notice its weight and temperature against your skin. Take a slow, deliberate sip and feel the water rest in your mouth before you swallow it with complete awareness. Follow the cool, soothing sensation as the water moves down your throat and settles into your stomach. Turn the simple act of drinking water into a 60-second ritual of deep nourishment and self-care. Notice how rich, meaningful, and satisfying a single minute can feel when you give it your complete, undivided attention. Life is not lived in giant leaps. It is made entirely of tiny, quiet moments just like this one. Sometimes, people worry that taking frequent micro-rests throughout the day will make them slow, inefficient, or lazy. They fear that if they stop moving even for a minute, they will lose all of their hard-earned momentum. I want to gently assure you, my friend, that the exact opposite is true. When you give yourself short, regular pauses, your mental clarity and focus become much sharper when you return to your work. You will make fewer silly mistakes because your brain is well rested and alert. You will respond to difficult situations with patience and kindness, rather than reacting out of frustration, fatigue, or anger. Think of a professional musician playing a gorgeous melody on a piano or a violin. The quiet silences between the musical notes are just as vital to the beauty of the song as the notes themselves. Without those quiet pauses between the notes, the music would turn into a chaotic, overwhelming wall of noise. Your life needs pauses so that its true beauty, color, and meaning can actually be heard and enjoyed. You might wonder, how can I remember to take these 60-second micro-rests during a chaotic day? It is so very easy to get swallowed up by busy schedules and completely forget about taking care of ourselves. One gentle method is to attach your micro-rest to a habit you already perform every day without thinking. For example, you could take a 60-second pause right after you finish eating your lunch every afternoon. Or you could practice a micro-rest every time you sit down in your car before turning on the key. Use that quiet minute as a gentle bridge to transition between your work life and your peaceful home life. You could also set a soft, melodic chime or a quiet notification on your phone once or twice a day. When that gentle sound plays, treat it like a sweet invitation from a loving friend reminding you to pause. Please do not treat your micro-rest like another demanding item on your daily to-do list that you have to check off. Treat it as a precious, non-judgmental gift of 60 seconds that belongs entirely to you. During your 60 seconds of rest, if busy thoughts start crowding back into your mind, please do not be angry with yourself. It is the natural nature of the mind to produce thoughts continuously. When a worried or busy thought pops up, simply imagine that it is a fluffy cloud drifting across the sky. Acknowledge that the cloud is there without fighting it, and then watch it float away gently on the breeze. You do not need to chase after the cloud, argue with it, or figure out where it came from. Simply return your focus back to the quiet sensation of your breathing or the steady feeling of your feet on the floor. Every single time you bring your wandering attention back to the present moment, you are strengthening your mind. You are building a quiet, unshakable inner sanctuary that stays with you wherever you go. Imagine having a peaceful, hidden garden inside your own heart that you can step into whenever you feel tired. 60 seconds is all the time you need to open that wooden door and feel the cool grass beneath your feet. As we come closer to the end of our time together today, let us practice one final micro-rest together right now. Put down anything you might be holding in your hands, whether it is a phone, a pen, or a cup. Rest your hands comfortably in your lap, let your stomach soften completely, and let your spine sit tall yet relaxed. Take a slow, deep, wonderful breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with gentle air. Hold that soft, warm breath for 3, 2, 1, and now let it all flow out through your mouth with a quiet, satisfying sigh. Feel your body settling deeper into a state of warm, comforting relaxation. Notice how much calmer, softer, and more grounded you feel right now compared to when we first began our journey today. This feeling of deep peace was not hiding far away. It was inside you all along. You carry the key to this inner peace with you through every hour of every day. Whenever life feels too fast, too demanding, or too loud, remember that 60 seconds is all you ever need to find your way back home. Thank you so much for sharing your precious time, your warm attention, and your quiet space with me today. You are doing such a wonderful job navigating your life, even on the days when it feels heavy and difficult. Please remember to be kind, soft, and patient with yourself today as you return to your daily activities. Until we meet again, remember to breathe deeply, rest often, and keep taking gentle care of your heart.